Hey guys, welcome back to Click and Fix. Today we're going to be seeing how to view all your saved passwords that you keep saving onto your Google account. If you want to view all those passwords, just follow me. So what you're going to do is head over to Google Chrome, sign in to your account. However, you're going to sign in. So any account that is synced, you use the account and now go into the three dots over there on the right hand side corner and then click on settings. Sorry, you click on passwords and autofill and head over to Google Passwords Manager. So here you should be able to see all your saved passwords. If at all you've enabled passkey, just on Windows you just have to enter the passkey and then you can open. So once that is done, you should be able to view all your passwords. So you should be able to see the sites on your right hand side over there and your username and passwords. So you click on that, it's going to prompt you to enter your password if required, and then it's going to show you the password. So this way you know what website what website you have saved the password for, the username of it, and the password. So that's how you find it. And if you ever want to add your specific website, you just head over here and click on add, and you can enter the website, username and password over there. So there's another way how you can back up all your passwords. So on the same page, you head over into settings and then you click on download file near export passwords. So and then you enter and then you save the CSV file to anywhere you want. Now, in case if you want to import new passwords that are there in a different browser to Google, you can do that by selecting select file. And if you already have the CSV file, just the way we have backed up before, you just click on it and hit open. So I'm not going to open the file so that you guys can see my password. So that's exactly how you're going to import your password and export your passwords as well. So all these same things can be done on your phone as well by heading over into your settings and the Google account setting page, and then you can click on the same place where it says Google Passwords Manager, and you should get the exact same options on your phone as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do like the video, please hit like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next one.